What's up, family? Hi, hi, hi. Hope everybody's well. It's been a minute since I've been here, but I figured I'm working on doing a far superior job with my journaling for myself. So I just wanted to record this video for my future self to talk about a trade that I took today. Um, so I'm sharing this with you all as well. Okay. Um, so I am focusing on crude oil futures now. Um, I kind of, I don't know. It, ES can be very S&P 500 can be very frustrating for me and choppy and um, difficult to read. Today it actually finally took off after about 2 hours of chop, and entry that I saw that I would take actually occurred right here because it hit this order block and it was in a discount, and it was below midnight open. So if I was trading ES, that would have been something that I would have been interested in. But unfortunately, or fortunately, I'm focused on CL. So the trade I took today, I was bullish because we have on our weekly chart, we have the nearest draw on liquidity, I would say, is the mean threshold of this order block. And so that is my draw on liquidity. So that was had my bias be bullish. Then when I was looking at the market today, I saw that there was this entry. Let's see if we can see it better here. Below midnight open on this order block. But what was I doing at that time? I wasn't awake. So, or maybe I actually I was awake, but I just wasn't looking at the chart. So, that was like the great entry right here. So anyway, I noticed that price came down and responded to this hourly order block. Here is the hourly order block right there. All right. So we had our hourly order block and price dipped into it. It didn't even get to 50%. So usually what I would do is look for an entry on a 5 minute. Well, actually, my goal is to look for an entry on a 5 minute, but I'm because we see right here, we had an order block, price dipped into it and then went up and took out the high of the day. So that entry was 90.66. We'll see where I got in at, but I was looking at the 2 minute chart, and I saw that we had price hit the order block, went up. I was looking for an opportunity to go long below equilibrium. So I had my order here. So I got in at 90.71. So if I would have gotten in on the 5 minute, I could have got in here. So it would have been a much better entry. And then if I was a real boss, I would have got in here. And I talked to one of our trade buddies, and she actually got in here. So kudos to her. So I got in here, and at first I had my stop here. And I'm trying not to move my stops because I get into trouble. It's a bad habit. I'm trying to really be disciplined now. I had my stop here, but I said, let me put it below this order block. So I'm glad I did. So I did experience some drawdown down when it pushed down, but once it took off, it was a wrap. So I had my take profit here at this swing high. And of course, there's other opportunities and what have you, but I'm like, I'm cool. The trade was, I'm trading in a combine account, and it was a $1,300 trade in 15 minutes. And here are the executions, like this and like that. And I'm very proud of myself. I feel very confident. I read the price action and executed flawlessly. If I had one thing that I would do, or two things I would do different, as I mentioned, I would have stayed on the 5-minute chart and got in on this order block right here. Other than that, I'm very happy with that trade. I think that is all. I've been I'm recommitting myself to journal my trades. So I did that. I've taken 3 CL trades and since the session opened yesterday, and all of them have been profitable. And 2 were in combine, 1 was a paper trade. And so, we come again tomorrow, like, working for my clients, unless I'm working too many hours that anybody would want to work. I don't make $1,300 in a day. So to make it in 15 minutes is gratifying. And we'll be back at the charts tomorrow. So hopefully your trading is going well, and you're learning a lot. And I think that's it. Have a good day. Happy trading. And I'll be in touch with my next trade. And I gotta, like when I take losses, I need to record those too, because it's easy to come to record, make a recording and, always be talking about taking profit. But we all know that, losses are just about inevitable. So, it's okay to talk about losses too, and, learn from them. All right, that's it. All right, bye. Bye. Bye-bye.